up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of the Priscilla Monroe Show. Today I am gonna do a yellow smoky eye with a little bit of glitter. So if you're interested, keep watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you like it. So I already put my little bit of what's it called? Y'all know I be forgetting words all the time. But I put my concealer on my eyes already, and put some more. It's a little bit dry. Okay, so now that I have a base down, I'm gonna go with this Take Me to Brazil palette, and this is by BH Cosmetics. So the first shade I'm gonna use is this Dandelion Yellow here. I'm gonna go ahead and pack that right on my lid. So now that I have this down, I'm gonna go in with a brighter yellow. This one. Using a Morphe 513 fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to go right on top of this color and just blend out that one. Alright. Now that that's blended out, I'm going to take a lighter color from this Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. I'll use the same fluffy brush just to blend that out. I'm also going to go ahead and put some right here on this tear duct just to brighten it up a little bit. And then I'll blend that out as well. So, because this look isn't bright enough for me, I'm going to use this little yellow glitter here. So, to get my eyes ready for the glitter, I'm going to be using NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm just going to take a bit on my finger and just tap it on my lid. And before it dries, I'm going to grab the glitter, the brush, just tap it in. So I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer under my eyes so that I can prep it for the bottom eyeshadow. I think I'm going to stick with the yellow also on the bottom. So I'm just going to take a smaller brush and the same yellow down here. I'm noticing that this yellow glitter has like a green tint to it, so I think it would be nice if I just add some green. So I'm going to use this Morphe Boss Moon palette and this green color right here. For this, I'm going to go right under my waterline here and just blend these two. These together. I'm going to go back into this Brazil palette and use this white just to highlight my inner corner. just a little bit more. Yeah, so the next thing I'm going to do is my eyeliner. I'm using this Luminous Temptation eyeliner. Next, I'm going to go in with some mascara. This is Luminous Distraction mascara. So the lashes I'm using today are by Ardell, and they are the faux mink lashes. Lashes really just make life so much better. I am insatiable. I'm just gonna add, I want to add some little diamonds. Okay, so I applied my diamonds with Spirit Gum because it just makes them stay a whole lot better. So, put some glue on the back of it and stick them on there. Okay guys, so the last thing I'm going to do is put some yellow eyeliner in my waterline, and that will be it for the eyes. Using Makeup Forever Flash palette. Here's my lip liner, Jeffrey. So I'm using NYX Downtown Beauty for my liner. And for my lips, I'm using this Lorac Pro liquid lipstick. I don't see anything about what color it is, so I can't tell you, but it looks like this. Okay guys, that is it for this yellow tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. You can like, subscribe, and share button. Thanks for checking out my channel, and this is the worst part. I hate this girl. Have a blessed day and a blessed life, and I'll see you next time. Next time. I'll see you next time.